Good morning, Irina.
Good morning, Dr. Berger.
So today we're conducting an educational culinary medicine session. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about what you're going to prepare and why we focus on healthy recipes in our clinic.
Absolutely. Culinary medicine becomes very prominent. Working with patients, I see all the time that some patients, they're looking to lose weight. Some people, they looking opposite to gain some weight. And again, protein, it's very important. And when you're thinking about nutrition, it's 80% of your well-being, what you're putting into your body. So today we're going to show a couple of recipes. One recipe, it's actually salmon, and I'm getting this salmon from Whole Foods, right? And it's already pre-packaged like this. And what we're going to do, we'll just put a little bit of lemon and also a little garlic and greens on the top, and we'll bake for 20 minutes. And it's gonna go with chickpeas. So we're doing actually chickpeas, and I already put in the
So chickpea pasta you're referring to.
chickpea pasta, exactly, and it's going to be with pesto. So I love using this brand, Banza. It's really hard to differentiate between this chickpea pasta and regular pasta.
Right.
It's
And
really
of
delicious.
course, just to put it out there, we have no financial interest in any of the brands or stores that we mentioned. They're just places that we happen to enjoy personally.
Yes, so you boiling the water, you putting a little bit of salt, and you throwing the content of this chickpea pasta, and you boiling for 20-25 minutes. And again, we have a phenomenal, we usually do this by ourselves, but this time I actually purchased in Whole Foods. It's classic pesto, and basically it's basil, it's pine nuts, olive oil, and that's it. And
Garlic
and
and a little bit
greens.
of Parmesan cheese usually. We like to do it from our garden in the summertime with our own basil, but we're off season right now.
All right, so we're going to share the final produce of those two dishes. Thank you.
So Irina, maybe you could recap all the lovely dishes that you made for our educational culinary medicine session.
Absolutely. So today we have done two dishes. One it's salmon, and those little strips I got from Whole Foods, and they already basically not pre-cooked, they pre-cut for you. And you just wash them, you put a little bit of olive oil on the pan, you bake them for about 20-25 minutes, and on the top you you actually salt and pepper them while they in oil in the oven, but then you put greens and you put garlic on the top when it's after 20-25 minutes, and I usually do 355. So this is salmon. This is, we talked about chickpea pasta, with chickpea pasta and a little bit of pesto. So you also cook about 6-8 minutes, and then again you take one spoon of pesto, you mix it, and this is the dish. But also we have a dish, chicken with zucchini. Chicken, we have it's a chicken thighs I use. First I stir the a little bit of olive oil, and I put a little onion. After onion becomes a little brown, you throw chicken, and you just cut chicken. I also get organic from Whole Foods, and after about 15-20 minutes, I cut zucchini, I put in, and then the last thing, it's actually greens. I use dill and put a little bit of garlic, and also it steams for about 20 minutes. Altogether it's 40 minutes, and it becomes very delicious, juicy dish.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, so we have, again, greens your friends. It's a lot of fiber. So I have a little bit of avocado. I also have cucumber, tomatoes, and I absolutely love those olives. We get them in Costco. I believe, I can show the, would you like me to show the box? But those are my favorite. It's called Lindsay.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Thank you, guys. Be healthy.
So we're Northeast Medical Practice located in Great Neck, New York on Long Island. If you'd like to reach the office, 516-604-3418 or online at northeastmedicalpractice.com, where we focus on lifestyle to optimize your health. Take care.